Ever walked into a giant hospital or a sprawling office complex and thought like, wait, where is the restroom? Yeah, I've been there. And no, that little map by the elevator doesn't count. It might as well be written in like hieroglyphs. And that's where Wayfinding Digital Signage swoops in like a superhero with a GPS cape. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel and you're watching the Look Digital Signage channel, where we talk about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very utilitarian yet incredibly useful thing called Wayfinding Digital Signage. These aren't just boring screens, they guide you step by step through the building with style and logic. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know how to turn any space into a place people actually want to explore. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. This way it's easier to stay connected. So what's Wayfinding Digital Signage anyway? In plain English, it's a fancy term for digital displays that help humans navigate. Airports, hospitals, offices, malls, you name it. These screens don't just say, hey, you're here. They show directions, highlight the coolest spots or necessary spots like bathrooms, and can even update in real time. Forget those old static signs with arrows that point in 10 different directions. Wayfinding Digital Signage is interactive, flexible, and basically your digital body that never loses its way, unlike some of us on Monday mornings. Alright, now let's talk types. Here's the kicker. We're not classifying them by screen type. No, it's about what they actually do. First, navigational signage. Your classic route planner guiding you from point A to B with the kind of confidence you wish you had in life. Then informational signage, which is basically your helpful friend pointing out everything you need to know in space, cafeterias, lounges, elevators, etc. Regulatory signage communicates rules and safety instructions like do not enter or emergency exit info, keeping everyone on the right track. And finally, identification signage, which labels offices, departments or rooms so visitors instantly know where they are and do not wander into the CEO's secret chocolate stash by accident. Of course, these functions can appear on different hardware. You've got digital kiosk in lobbies for interactive maps, wall-mounted displays in busy corridors for quick overviews, mobile integrated screens sending directions straight to your phone, and even freestanding or tabletop screens that combine multiple uses. Mix and match and suddenly your building is less maze of despair and more smart-friendly GPS. Why bother with all this tech? Well, besides saving people from wandering aimlessly and awkwardly asking strangers, it actually improves the visitor experience. You know, happy visitors, happy life. It reduces staff interruptions, which means employees aren't constantly answering, excuse me, where's the cafeteria? And yes, it can play a life-saving role during emergencies, showing evacuation routes or alerts instantly. Oh, and did I mention branding? You can mix navigation with promotions, news, or fun facts. So your screens aren't just helpful, they are memorable. Basically, it turns any building from a confusing maze into an experience people actually enjoy. Now, before we jump into setting up a system, let's talk about Look Digital Signage, with the help of which we're going to do it. Picture it as your all-in-one digital signage platform. Not just for wayfinding, this baby can manage screens across multiple locations from the cloud, schedule content, create playlists, show videos, images, live data feeds, or even integrate with apps and external systems. It's built to make digital signage simple, scalable, and actually fun to manage. Okay, let's set it up. Actually, it's easier than making instant noodles, I promise. Install the Look software player that's compatible with your display. Pick a template from the library or upload your own design, and you're basically live. You can even add your navigation apps, whether third-party or in-house, to make your maps interactive. Or configure emergency messaging through their API so alerts like nearest exit or fire drills appear instantly. Then you can schedule content, set playlists, and even integrate live feeds or interactive apps, all from the cloud dashboard. Want to change something at 2 AM while binge watching your favorite show? Go ahead, LookDS has you covered. And here's the cherry on the top. LookDS has a 14-day free trial with full functionality and zero obligations. That's 2 weeks to play around, experiment, and see how digital signage can totally transform your space, all without spending a dime. All links are in the description below. So there you have it. Wayfinding digital signage isn't just signs on walls, it's about creating intuitive, interactive, and safe spaces. And LookDS proves that managing all of this doesn't have to be a headache. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you'll never get lost digitally or in life. This was Gabriel. Thanks for watching and happy navigating. Bye.